If you've lost access to your Dotsub account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Dotsub login page. Go to the Dotsub website and navigate to the login page. Look for the Forgot Password link, which is typically located near the login fields. Step 2. Request password reset. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Dotsub account. Make sure to use the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Dotsub. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, as it may have been filtered there. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log in with new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Dotsub login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Dotsub's customer support for further assistance.